In this video, I'll show you how to fix URL problems in your browser. Let's get started. If a website isn't loading or shows an error, it's usually caused by a small issue that can be fixed quickly. First, try refreshing the page. Click the refresh icon or press F5 on your keyboard. Next, check the URL. Make sure the web address is typed correctly and doesn't contain any mistakes. If the issue continues, try opening the website in another browser, like Google Chrome or any other browser. You can also clear your browser cache. Go to your browser settings, then open Privacy and Security. Tap on Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time, then scroll down and tap on Clear Data. After that, reopen the website and refresh it again. It should load properly now. And that's it. That's how you can fix common URL problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.